Hello friends, welcome to the Learners channel. In this video, we will going to learn about inserting blocks and drawings. Now that we know how to create and edit a block, we need to learn how to insert them. After all, that's how they are going to be used. To insert blocks and files in a drawing, we need to use the insert command. When a new drawing is created, it does not contain any block definition unless blocks were stored in the drawing template. So you either have to create new blocks or insert blocks from other drawings. When a drawing file is inserted into another drawing, all block definitions of the inserted file will be added in the new drawing using the insert command. In order to insert a block, the insert command can be activated in the following two ways. From the ribbon, activate the insert tab, then in the block panel, run the insert command. And the second option is through the command bar, type either the alias I or the insert command, then process the enter, the spacebar key or the mouse right click button. Okay, now I am going to show you insert command in AutoCAD software. Now I am in the AutoCAD software. Now in under insert tab there is insert and insert block command. Okay, now I will show insert command in command bar. In command bar I am typing here I and the insert command will be appearing. After pressing the enter key, the insert command will be activated. Now I will going to tell you the process of inserting a command. Practice exercise. In this exercise, we will insert the blocks we previously created in a new file. This block was created in a previous practice exercise. We will bring it in a different drawing with the insert command. Let us follow step-by-step procedure to insert the block. Open a new AutoCAD drawing by using the ribbon or typing Q new, quick new at the command line. If you have a default template already set, use it. If not, choose a metric or imperial template from your template directory. Use any of the two methods previously explained to activate the create block command. Once the command is activated, the insert window will open. Click on the browse button to navigate to practice drawing directory. Okay, in the directory, select the inserting blocks file and click open. In the insert window, uncheck the two options scale and rotation. Activate the specify on screen option. You may see here the option of specify on screen. Now you can click anywhere to insert the drawing containing all the blocks we have created, thus importing the block definition. Then double click on your mouse or use the alias ZE at the command line to zoom the extent of the drawing and reveal all entities in the imported drawing. Select the two blocks and hit delete to erase them. We will see how to insert them with a precise base point. On the Insert tab in the Block panel, click on the arrow to roll the block panel, then scroll all the way down to the most recent blocks and select the dining table block. Click anywhere on the screen to insert it. Repeat the previous step to insert the chair. For the insertion point, click on the table's top left corner. The chair is now inserted and hooks well with the table because we have defined an insertion point while creating the chair block. Use the copy command to create two additional copies of the chair and lay them out like this. Next, use the mirror command to add chairs on the other side of the table using the horizontal center line of the table. Note: a new drawing file may or may not have some basic block definitions in it, depending upon the drawing template file. You will learn about creating a template file in further videos.